What is the best affiliate product to promote in 2024? That's a question on the minds of many as we look ahead to the future of affiliate marketing. Choosing the right product to promote is essential, and with a plethora of options across various industries, the task can seem daunting. From health and wellness products to tech gadgets, the range is indeed vast. In this video, we will compare and contrast different affiliate products, highlighting their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Before we dive into specific products, let's understand the factors that should influence your choice. Now, when it comes to selecting affiliate products, there are several key criteria to consider. Firstly, commission rates. We all aim to maximize our earnings, and higher commission rates can certainly make a product more appealing. But don't let high rates blind you, as it's not always about the money. Next, product relevance. It's important to choose a product that resonates with your target audience. If it's not relevant, no matter how good the product is, it will be a hard sell. Thirdly, take into account the product demand. The more in demand a product is, the easier it will be to sell, and the more likely you are to generate a steady stream of income. Lastly, vendor reputation. Working with reputable vendors can ensure you're promoting quality products, which can help build trust with your audience. Keeping these criteria in mind, let us now explore some potential affiliate products for 2024. Now that we have our selection criteria, it's time to delve into the specifics of some popular affiliate products. First, let's look at the tech industry. You'll find a plethora of gadgets and software ripe for promotion. An example is antivirus software. Its evergreen nature makes it an attractive option. The pros include high demand, recurring commissions, and a wide target market. However, the cons are stiff competition and the need for technical knowledge to convincingly promote the product. Moving on, health and wellness products are a staple in the affiliate marketing world. Dietary supplements, for instance, are sought after due to the growing health-conscious population. Pros include high search volume and potentially high commissions. The downsides, however, are the potential for regulatory scrutiny and the need to maintain credibility amidst a sea of competing products. In the finance sector, credit card affiliate programs are a popular choice. The pros are high commissions and a broad audience. The cons include complex approval processes and potential ethical considerations given the nature of credit. Finally, travel affiliate programs can be lucrative, especially for lifestyle bloggers. Pros include attractive commissions and a wide range of products from flights to hotel bookings. However, this industry is highly seasonal and can be affected by global events. As we can see, each product has its strengths and weaknesses. The key is to find one that aligns with your audience and business goals. Selecting the best affiliate product to promote is not a one-size-fits-all process. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. Choosing the right product to promote involves considering several factors. You need to think about your audience, their needs, and how the product can provide a solution. We also discussed how crucial it is to align the product with your business goals. You want to select a product that not only resonates with your brand, but also contributes to your overall business objectives. Another key point we touched on is the importance of a fair commission structure. The product may tick all the other boxes, but if the commission isn't fair, it might not be worth your time and effort. So, as we wrap up, remember to be thoughtful and strategic in your selection process. Remember, the best affiliate product for you is one that fits your audience, aligns with your business goals, and offers a fair commission. Happy promoting! All right, folks. That's it for our guide on the top affiliate products to promote in 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps us to reach more people and share this valuable information. Also, don't hesitate to share it with your friends who might also find it useful. We want to hear from you too. If you have any questions, suggestions, or even your own experiences with affiliate marketing, feel free to drop a comment below. We love engaging with our community and learning from you. And of course, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more insightful videos like this one coming your way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.